Hi, Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel. In this lesson, I will show you how to turn your image background into lightings, just like what you are seeing here. So right now, so let's say I have an image background, then I want the light of that image will pass through to the scene. Okay, so that's what we call IBL, or image based lighting, HDR, or whatnot. Okay, so what's the purpose of this? Is in this way, uh, you can or you will not to create an artificial lighting, just like point light, spotlight. If you want to scene to be more realistic, you can use this, uh, image-based lighting. Okay, so to begin with, so let me just delete this sky dome. Okay, I will delete this sky dome. Uh, First thing that we need to do is we need to have our asset, or we need to have the image based lighting asset. I prefer to download here in polyhaven.com. So this is not sponsored, by the way. Okay, so we have HDRI, we have textures, we have models. So go here into HDRI. So browse, and here you can find different image-based lightings that is available. It depends on your scene, or it depends on the theme of your scene. Whether it is like this hay bales, African church interior, whatnot. Uh, so for example, I have Germantown Street. So for you to see what is looks like, uh, when you put this in your materials or object, so we have like reference here. So this is the output. If you put this image based lighting on the metallic object, marble object, glossy, matte, transparent, or whatnot. So yeah, we have reference on it. So yeah, you can download. So first, for practicing purposes, it is okay to download 2K resolution. And for the file format, it can be HDR, it can be EXR, but I prefer to use EXR. Okay, so just click the download, and I downloaded earlier. So now moving on, how we can actually put it here. Go into Arnold. Okay, find the lights and go here into Sky Dome light. Just click that, and you see it creates a sky dome. So basically, we need to wrap the panoramic images here. So how? Just go here into attribute editor. So we have the sky dome lights attributes, color. Okay, so click the checkered icon. Go here into file. Okay, so we are still in the file attribute. Just go to the image name line, find the folder, and locate the downloaded assets. So I downloaded it here. So I need to click this. Okay, to see the actual result of the light. So you see na, it wraps. So the image wraps on the Skydome light by Arnold. So to see the result, okay, let me just let me just rescale. Okay, just activate the use all lights. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So if you're not satisfied with the casting of the light, you can actually rotate rotate the image, and you can actually see that the lights is rotating also. Okay, so last thing that I need to discuss is this image based lighting is not for background purposes. Instead, this is for the light purposes only. Okay, so you cannot use this as your background because uh, this is weird, no? The proportion is not well aligned because it is panoramic. So this is just for lighting purposes. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned in this session, and see you next time. Goodbye.